today's vlog. Today I have a project on the bench that I've been wanting to get to for several weeks, and I'm finally able to spend a little time on it, so I thought I'd see if I can get this RC car back going again. It's got a failed motor, so I just need to replace the motor, and I've never done that before on one of these, so this will be my first time, so maybe I'll be able to get it done. I've got my RC tools, some of my tools out here. Hopefully I'll have what I need. First I need the X-Acto knife.
Interesting. It's just as I suspected. What do you mean, sir? What do you see? Well, this beat is going to drop in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Set this aside. And what I have here is the Horizon Hobby DYN 1172 Dynamite 15 turn brushed. So let's see if we can get this bad boy going. This is really a great car. This is the ECX Ruckus 4-wheel drive. I've had this RC for probably 10 years or more. It's been a great RC. Haven't had to replace anything on it. So, let's see if we can get this bad boy changed out. 15T. This should be it. This bench has been great for me. I've really enjoyed having this back here. So let's get this one out first. Looks like I'm going to need a simple Phillips head screwdriver. That's kind of a shock. So let me take some good pictures of this. Get this bad boy put back together and get to using it. This is a great RC car. So that should just pop right out. It's wanting to. Yeah, I need to pull that out. Unscrew those. We'll see. So I'm going to do some cleaning right quick on it while I've got it open. See if I can get her back in there. Alright. start off. Well, that turned out to be a total fail. I ended up losing the little gear over there in the grass, so I looked and looked for it, can't find it. So I guess I will pack it up and move on to another project. This is probably damaged now. So definitely not happy. I don't know why they would sell this even without that gear on there. So I'm not happy about that. Not happy at all. So once again, that turned out to be a total fail. And I don't guess I'll be using my RC car after all. So I'm going to put these parts in a bag so that I don't lose them. And maybe one day I'll meet someone that can help me with this or show me what to do. That's one disadvantage about living out here in the rural country is, you know, you either do it yourself or it don't get done, pretty much. You know, there's nobody else around. I mean, just take for an example, I took my Polaris to the Polaris dealership on the 19th of May. And today's the 23rd of June, and I haven't heard a single word from them. And it's probably, to someone that does, works on four-wheelers for a living, it's probably a 2 or 3 hour job. They've had my ATV for over a month, waiting in a line, so they say. But anyway, I'll move on to the next project.